Welcome back guys, and today magluluto tayo ng pork giniling o ito yung picadillo na Filipino style. Now I chose this dish kasi marami akong tomato sauce na galing sa pantry ng nanay ko bago siya umalis papuntang New Zealand, and at the same time maganda rin itong pambaon-baon ngayong pasukan na. Now, so for our list of ingredients, we will need the following. We will need 500 grams of ground pork. Now, ako guys, hindi ako bumibili nung giniling na. So, ako talaga yung pumipili ng meat, saka ko pa lang siya ipapagiling. We will also need 3 medium potatoes diced into small cubes. And we will also do the same for 2 medium pieces of carrots. Now for my version of the pork giniling, I'm putting in raisins. And we will also be needing 2 tablespoons of ram tomato paste. Now, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong iniwan ng nanay ko na napakaraming tomato sauce. Mas marami pa niyan sa totoo lang. So, Del Monte ang gamit niya, although I prefer the ram brand. Isang malaki at isang maliit ang gagamitin natin. Now, we also have 6 cloves of garlic minced and 1 medium-sized red onion also minced. Gagamit po tayo ng salt and pepper to taste at konting asukal na hindi ko na naipakita sa video na ito kasi optional naman po siya kung gusto niyo ng manamis na mess. Nor seasoning, kung ayaw niyo po ng nor seasoning, pwede na pong toyo. And lastly, cooking oil po. Canola oil po ang aking gamit. Now, ready na yung ingredients natin. Let's start cooking. Now, to prepare our pork, ituturo ko po sa inyo yung style na nakuha ko sa aking lolo. So, diretso na sa ating pan yung pork. We will season this with salt and pepper. Konti lang po para magkalasa yung ating pork. And we will cook this in its own juices hanggang hindi na po siya colored pink. Now, ayaw nating maging buo yung ating ground pork while doing this. So, once in a while, you break down your ground pork with your wooden spoon or kung anumang sandok ang gamit ninyo para talagang hindi siya magdikit-dikit. And kung mapapansin nyo rin, maglalabas yung ground pork ng sarili niyang juices. Now guys, kailangan natin itong patuyuan bago natin ilagay yung ating aromatics. And we will cook this until the meat is slightly brown. Now, I did mention earlier na ako na po yung namili ng karne and saka ko lang po siya ipinagiling sa butcher. Sa grocery kasi, when you buy the ready na ground pork, masyado po siyang fatty, and kung mapapansin nyo naman po yung ground pork ko, halos wala talaga siyang fat na nilabas. Yung juices lang niya. So, I'm adding canola oil to the side of my pan and start sauteing our garlic and onions. Now, by doing this, ini-infuse natin yung oil with the flavors of the garlic and onions. And once na mabango na siya, saka natin siya ihalo sa ating ground pork. This would make our pork yummier and matatanggal po talaga yung amoy lansa ng karne. Now, we're gonna saute this, and after which, we can now add our tomato paste. Now, tip lang, pag nagluluto kayo ng tomato paste, kailangan nyo itong igisa ng maigi to tame down the sourness and to draw out the flavors of the tomatoes and its sweetness. Titimplahan na rin po natin siya ng nor seasoning. I'm putting in 1 ladle. Kung ayaw nyo po ng nor seasoning, okay lang pong gumamit ng toyo. Now, we will also add our tomato sauce next. So, kung napansin nyo kanina, isang malaki at isang maliit na pouch yung aking gamit. We will also be adding water to this pork giniling dish. So after adding our tomato sauce and water, we will cover our pan and let this boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of boiling, pwede na po nating ilagay yung ating diced potatoes. Now, I've added the carrots at this point after boiling the potatoes for about 5 minutes. Now, since small cubes naman po ang ating gayat sa ating mga gulay, mabilis lang naman po itong maluto. You can now adjust your seasoning, add more salt and pepper according to your preference. Now that the carrots are cooked, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of white sugar to the pork giniling. Now, this is according to your preference, guys. Gusto lang namin talagang manamis-namis yung aming giniling. And then lastly, I will be adding the raisins. Now, I'm gonna let this boil for another a minute or 2. And also watch out kung naglalabas na ng mantika sa gilid-gilid ng pan ninyo. Ibig sabihin lang nun is lutong-luto na yung inyong pork picadillo or pork giniling. Now, there you have it. This is our finished product. You can serve this with rice or toasted bread. Masarap din po ito sa toasted bread. And ako naman po, dinagdagan ko po ng fried na saba. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share this video recipe to your family and friends. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko and mahilig ka magluto, subscribe ka na on my channel, Yani. Also, tap that bell for notifications on new videos and recipes para updated ka. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you again for another recipe. Bye now!